Going to try something new today. I got this Schar gluten-free pizza crust, and there's two of them in here, and I hope they're not wrapped together, because once you open it you got to use it and you can't refreeze it. But I've never had this before. I've had some Schar products. Some of them are good, some of them are not so good. We'll see how this works out. Oh, yeah. They must use cheap packaging companies for all the gluten-free stuff. They all have trouble opening. Okay, good. Individually wrapped. And this is good till May 4th, so I could save that other one. I am tempted to coat this whole thing with olive oil, but it doesn't say to do that, and we'll just go with what we got. We'll start with, I got the Great Value pizza sauce, which is labeled as gluten-free. Yeah, there we go, gluten-free. That smells good. The edge of the crust goes way in. I mean, it definitely has a rim of about 1 inch around the whole thing. That's pretty good pizza sauce. Sharp cheddar. That's what I like on my pizza. I tried mozzarella, or no, what's the one? Provolone. Absolutely tasteless stuff. I used about half a bag of this. And of course, Hormel pepperoni, the original. Gotta watch out, they sneak turkey in on you sometimes now. I actually got a gluten-free pizza at a pizza joint one time, and I wanted pepperoni, and this is what they did. Honest to God, that's what they served me. 4 slices of pepperoni on the thing. And of course, yes, they did charge me a noticeable extra amount for that. I forget exactly what it was, that's why I'm not saying. I like to wrap my pepperoni in a paper towel, degrease them a little bit. The oven's got to be preheated to 410. I'll go ahead and put that on now. That ridge it has around the edge is really forcing me inward, even if unconsciously. Well, there we go. Okay, just in time. I gotta see if I put this directly on the rack or not. Place baking sheet with pizza on top rack. I do have a pizza baking sheet, but it doesn't fit this oven. It was a bigger toaster oven I had. I'm going to start this over, and I got 7, 8, 9 minutes. They said go 10 to 12, but this is a small oven. I think I'll be good.
My friend. Now, if I had the latest Flip T4...
Oh, it's a trifle brash, isn't it? There are other space vessels, you know.
You mean the Spar 740?
Yes. If I had to travel around ultra space, I think the 740. Elegance plus ultimate technology.
It hasn't got the speed.
Speed isn't everything. Is there anything you would like to say to the citizens before you depart?
Yes. It is my earnest hope that the solar system may continue along this path of peace. This path that was laid...
Okay, I gave it another 4 minutes. Oh, this looks better. This looks better. Oh yeah, she's bubbling. Oh yeah, yeah. We got a crust. We got some changing on the crust. But look at all the liquid grease in the pepperonis. And that ridge of a crust, really, I don't like that. There we go. There we go. The cooling rack. Yeah, see, we pour it onto this. That crust feels crispy, so that's a good thing. Okay, so we gotta let that set up for a couple minutes and cool down, because right now it's at 410 degrees, and then we'll have a go at it. Let's take this down. Still pretty warm. Another thing I do is I try to soak up some of that grease, just because my old body can't take it no more. I used to like hot wings too. Can't have them anymore. Kids, eat it all now. Okay, there we go. Now the other thing, I salt it and I oregano it. And then I wash my hands. Okay, and as you can see, we got small, medium, and large pieces. And we'll try it. Here we go. There's a piece. There's a side view, crust, and okay, that is a decent crust. I'd like a little crispier, so maybe I'll just leave it in a little longer next time. But taste-wise and chewing, it's good. I won't be throwing this away. So there you go, have a pizza and happy day to you. Yeah, that's good.